Search for the shape command in the Tell Me bar. Click on Draw a Shape. Then choose a shape from the menu. Click and drag on your document pane to draw your shape. To move your shape, click and drag your shape. You can resize and reshape your shape by hovering your mouse over the white dots, clicking and dragging. If you want to send your shape behind your text, right-click on your shape, go to Send Back, and then choose Send Behind Text. You can format your shape by clicking on your shape and going to the Format tab. From here, you can choose a preset shape style. There's a few different options. If you hover your mouse over, you'll see a preview of this shape style. Or you can create your own by going to Shape Fill. You can also choose your shape outline. And then you can also add some shape effects like shadows and reflections, glows, 3D rotations.